Hey folks, are you someone who loves taking on DIY projects or maintaining your garden with ease? Well, today we're diving into the world of chainsaws specifically designed for DIY enthusiasts. These tools are compact, portable, and powerful enough to tackle trimming, pruning, and light cutting tasks effortlessly. Whether you're working on a small backyard project or sprucing up your garden, we've got you covered. Stick around as we reveal the top 5 chainsaws for DIY projects in 2025. Let's get started. Starting the list at number 5, we have the electric cordless handheld chainsaw, which is a compact and convenient tool designed for trimming, pruning, and light cutting tasks. Its rechargeable battery ensures portability, while the sharp chain provides smooth and precise cuts. Lightweight and equipped with an ergonomic handle, it's easy to maneuver, making it ideal for DIY projects and garden maintenance. However, its power is best suited for light to medium-duty tasks, and it may not perform well on thicker branches or heavy-duty jobs. Let's look at what customers have said in their feedback. After looking at the features and customer feedback, we have rated it a 4.5 out of 5. This cordless chainsaw is a great choice for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Its portability, ease of use, and efficiency make it a reliable tool for everyday trimming and yard work. A handy addition to your toolkit for smaller projects. Coming in at number 4, we have the DeWalt DCCS 620 P120 VMAX brushless cordless chainsaw. It is a powerful and compact tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Featuring a brushless motor, it offers high efficiency and longer runtime. The 12-inch bar and chain delivers smooth cuts ideal for construction, outdoor projects, and tree pruning. Its lightweight design and tool-free chain tensioning system enhance usability. However, the 12-inch bar limits its capability for large trees or heavy-duty cutting tasks. Customers have said a lot about the product. Let's look at some of them. After considering its features and customer feedback, we have given it a stellar rating of 4.5 out of 5. The DeWalt cordless chainsaw is praised for its portability, performance, and reliability. It's a perfect choice for those seeking a professional-grade tool that's easy to handle and maintain, especially for medium-duty projects. A top-tier option for versatile cutting needs. Ranking at number 3, we have the Saker Mini Chainsaw. It is a compact and lightweight tool designed for household and courtyard use. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it provides cordless convenience for trimming branches, pruning shrubs, and light cutting tasks. The sharp chain and high-efficiency motor ensure clean and precise cuts, while the ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip. However, its compact size and limited power output make it suitable only for light-duty jobs, not heavy-duty or professional use. Customers have left their feedback regarding the product. Let's weigh on some of them. After considering its features and customer feedback, we have decided to give it a rating of 4.6 out of 5. The Saker Mini Chainsaw is a favorite for its ease of use and portability. It's perfect for homeowners looking for a reliable and user-friendly tool for quick garden maintenance tasks. Coming in at number 2, we have the Aokia Mini Chainsaw is a battery-powered portable tool perfect for light gardening and DIY projects. It features a sharp, durable chain and a high-efficiency motor, ensuring smooth cuts for branches, shrubs, and other light tasks. The cordless design offers freedom of movement, while the lightweight build and ergonomic handle make it comfortable for extended use. Let's look at what customers have left in their feedback regarding the product. After looking at its features and customer feedback, we have decided to rate it a solid 4.6 out of 5. The Aokia Mini Chainsaw is well regarded for its portability, efficiency, and ease of use. It's a fantastic option for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts looking for a compact and reliable tool for quick garden maintenance or small projects. Now, topping off this list at number 1, we have the electric multifunction chainsaw, which is a versatile tool designed for gardening and light DIY projects. Featuring a rechargeable battery, it delivers cordless convenience for trimming, pruning, and small cutting tasks. The sharp chain and efficient motor ensures smooth and precise performance, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended use. However, its lightweight design is best suited for light to medium duty work, and it may lack the power for heavy duty applications. Customers have left their feedback regarding the product. Let's look at a few of them. After carefully considering its features and customer feedback, we have given it a solid rating of 4.6 out of 5. This electric chainsaw is appreciated for its portability, ease of use, and reliability. It's a great choice for homeowners and hobbyists seeking a user-friendly tool for maintaining their gardens and completing small-scale projects. A dependable and practical addition to your gardening toolkit. That wraps up our list of the top 5 chainsaws perfect for DIY projects in 2025. From lightweight designs to powerful performance, each of these tools is tailored to make your project simpler and more enjoyable. Which chainsaw would you choose for your next project? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.